If you're tired of inaccurate readings and the hassle of traditional gauges, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best digital manifold gauges I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Elitek DMG2 SE, the Elitek Digital Manifold Gauge Set, priced at $79.99. What really caught my eye here is its multi-refrigerant support, covering 88 types, including R410A and R134A. If you want accurate readings without the guesswork, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its digital display, you can forget about those tedious PT charts and manual calculations. Instead, you get fast and accurate pressure and temperature readings. Imagine saving time and reducing errors during diagnostics. That's exactly what this gauge does with its precision. It's also built tough. This gauge is shock resistant and made to withstand the rigors of an HVAC job. Plus, its flexible hoses are designed for high pressure applications, so you can rely on it even in demanding conditions. And with features like auto shutoff to save battery life, you get less downtime and more focus on the job. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for certain jobs. Here's the thing though, while it might not fit into tight spaces easily, the accuracy and reliability it offers totally make up for that in most scenarios. This is perfect for you if you work on various HVAC systems and want a comprehensive kit without the hassle of buying extra tools. Skip this one if you need something more compact for tight spots. All in all, it's a great value for the price. Now, if the size of the DMG2 SE bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Elitek DMG2 SE Compact. We have another Elitek model, the DMG2 SE, which is a more compact version priced at $50.99. This little guy still packs a punch with features that eliminate guesswork while being portable. If you want a high accuracy gauge in a more pocket-friendly size, this is definitely worth considering. It supports a broad range of refrigerants, just like its larger sibling, but in this compact design, it's surprisingly accurate with a plus or minus 1% FS reading. This means you can confidently diagnose your systems without worrying about errors. Plus, it's built to last. Shock-resistant materials mean it can tough it out in the field. The downside? Some users mentioned that the display can be hard to read in bright sunlight. But honestly, if you're working indoors or in shaded areas, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable gauge that's easy to carry around without compromising on features. Skip this one if you primarily work in very bright conditions where visibility is a concern. For the price, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a fully integrated solution.
Product number 3, Fieldpiece SM482V. Let's talk about the Fieldpiece SM482V, a premium choice priced at $822.75. I know it's a bit of an investment, but this one is designed for serious professionals who need advanced features. If you want the best of the best for HVAC diagnostics, this is where you should look. This digital refrigerant manifold provides incredibly accurate measurements of superheat and subcooling, which is critical for proper HVAC performance. It supports wireless connectivity for data logging and can even connect with JobLink psychrometer probes to give you real-time data at your fingertips. This means you can troubleshoot and log results seamlessly. However, the price tag might be a deal breaker for some, but for professionals who rely on their tools daily, the investment can really pay off in efficiency and accuracy. This is perfect for you if you're a serious technician looking for a high-end tool that will last and enhance your workflow. Skip this one if you're just starting out or only do occasional HVAC work. It's a premium choice worth the investment if you need top-tier performance. Now, if that price made you cringe, let's check out something more budget-friendly that still delivers great features. Product number 4, the Elitek Wireless Digital Manifold Gauge Set, priced at $188.99. What I love about this one is its balance between affordability and functionality. If you want an efficient tool without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic option. This gauge supports over 140 types of refrigerants and has temperature compensation features that allow for precise monitoring of pressure holding and vacuum leakage tests. It even includes 2 temperature clamps, which is great for keeping everything organized. Plus, the app connectivity adds a modern touch for data management on the go. However, some reviews mention that the app can be glitchy at times. I'll be real with you. While this can be annoying, most users find the gauge itself works perfectly fine as a standalone tool. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional gauge without the hefty price tag. Skip this one if you need something that integrates flawlessly with an app. It offers excellent value for what you're getting. Finally, we have one more product to look at that offers a simpler design, but is still reliable for those who just need the basics.
Product number 5, Elitek LMG10. The Elitek Digital Manifold Gauge LMG10 priced at $134.99. This is a straightforward option that focuses on essential functionality without the bells and whistles. If you want something reliable and easy to use, this could be your best bet. It supports 88 types of refrigerants and features a user-friendly design. The large display makes it easy to read measurements at a glance, and it even has a long battery life of 200 hours. There's less complexity, so it's great for those who prefer simplicity and efficiency without overthinking. That said, some users feel it lacks advanced features like data logging. But honestly, if you just need a dependable gauge for day-to-day tasks, this shouldn't deter you too much. This is perfect for you if you want a basic yet effective tool for HVAC work without unnecessary extras. Skip this one if you're looking for more advanced features like wireless connectivity. For its price, it's a solid choice for anyone needing reliable performance.
So let's quickly recap the 5 digital manifold gauges we covered. For a comprehensive kit, I'd go with the Elitek DMG2SE because it strikes an excellent balance of features and price. If you're after top-tier technology, the Fieldpiece SM482V is the one to beat. But remember the investment.